DJ twice.
Oh yeah, you heard it right. It's a DJ twice on the decks. Only on OutShine October. Okay, so this is the episode of the day, episode 14. So yeah, we got a little bit of shortage of female artists in my central. I'm not sure why. So today we got a female artist. Yeah. So just get ready to listen to this interview, because yeah, I don't got any chance with you. Because you know that the first prize will get 2 free videos, the second prize will get 1 free video, then the third prize, I think she goes yeah, so yeah, we're still looking out for sponsors out there. So if you want to sponsor, just let us know. 10 US for your logo to be on the show, 2 US if you just want to sponsor for a week, and then $1 US if you just want to do it for 2 days. So yeah, go to fair face. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the contestant number
14.
Oh yeah, that's contestant number 14. Congratulations on making it. Oh yeah, and I think already dropped a hint that today we got a female artist on our decks. So introduce yourself, my lady.
Hi everyone, my name is Charie. Professionally, I am a trainee pharmacy technician at Howard Hospital, Chiweshe, and my alias is Charie J. Well, I do Afro-pop, Afro-fusion, Afro-jazz, R&B.
Alright, that's okay. So, Charie Timuchemwa. So, why the name CJ? Because I think if it was Charie Timuchemwa, I would say CM. So, can you tell us more about your alias?
Well, my alias is a combination of my name, Charity, and my other surname, Jackson. Well, into details, my grandpa wanted me to carry Jackson as my surname, but my dad said that it would be difficult for me to inherit anything from him, as it might seem like I'm a distant relative. So I had to fulfill my grandpa's wish indirectly. So I took Jackson to be J. That's where Charie J came from.
Okay, Miss Jackson, Michael Jackson, Jeanette Jackson. I want to check out you. Okay, so Charie Jackson. So what got you into music?
Well, to be honest, I used to envy guys from X Factor, SA Idols, and Indian music talent shows. So I contested Starbreak 2019, though it didn't come out well, like as expected. You know, we have high expectations. But instead of giving up, I thought of making my own music and become a superstar. Well, I'm on it. I'm a dream chaser.
All right. So who inspired you to make your music? That music that you do like every day. Who inspired you, or what inspired you?
Well, local artists such as the late world superstar Oliver Mtukudzi, and as well as Wingy D, inspired me. And internationally, I'm a Rihanna fan. You know, the list of good artists is endless, but those three, my idols, although my music doesn't sound like theirs, yeah.
And that's a good thing, that you don't copy anyone, you know, just making your original thing. So how do you describe your music?
Well, the music I create, basically, it motivates, inspires, educates, appreciates, and entertains, as well as typically showcasing Africanism at an international level.
Alright, so what kind of challenges do you think that we face as My Central artist, or we face as female artists in My Central?
Well, on my own point of view, whatever you may think of doing today has its own challenges, but we have to face them anyway. That's how we achieve. Well, there are a lot of challenges that we face as artists, but I'll mention a few critical ones. First and foremost, we lack finance. As young artists without promoters, we can't afford we don't have financial backup for studio recordings and videos. Secondly, we're just analyzing Match Central. There is a scarcity of studios, and adding to the fact that the studios lack quality equipment, as well as less exposed producers, which may affect the products that we make, like the quality of the music that we produce. So overall, I can say that we lack resources. The third one, well, as women, being accepted by the community as an artist is quite difficult, especially when it comes to our respect. Like, chiremerera chinotongodzikira. So our societal beliefs labels us, and our parents can't support us because of that. They can't support the music industry, so it's difficult to convince them that I want to be an artist. So also the colonial thinking that white collar jobs and formal sector is superior to informal sector is quite problematic. People would always say that I want my kid to be a doctor more than saying that I want my kid to be a musician. So we grow up without the inspiration of becoming an artist, which is a challenge. And the last challenge I'm gonna talk of is lack of platforms to showcase our music. But anyways, thanks to 10 October OutShine for offering this opportunity. I hope you will do more of these, like December OutShine, And I also have a suggestion that we need a radio station in Match Central, wherever you can put it, Pindura or Glendale. Yeah, we simply need a radio station so that we can spread our music without season. Like every time our music is played there, and people get to know that there is this and this music for whosoever.
Yeah, I understand your point. I think that's the reason why we started OutShine October with the 210 Entertainment. We want to, unearth all these new artists, and you're like one of them. Like nobody knew about Charie J until today, because everyone thought that my center was gonna know him, but thank you for bringing up that point. So yeah, we got a music that's playing behind the scenes, playing in the background. We just want you to introduce it so that we can play for everyone to know who Charie J is and what Charie J do.
Well, the song that you're going to be listening to is called or entitled Baba. Enjoy.
Blaze in the steel. Bring the heat. Mix it non-stop with the hottest DJ.
DJ twice.
A special dedication to someone who was always there since day one. My hero, my first love, my advisor, my mentor, my father, Dediva CJ.
Sino
is so sweet. This is so sweet. Ayo, Baba wa Charie J out there, you have to be proud. And Sekuru wa Charie J also you have to be proud. Ayo, mwana mzukuru wa Jackson anoguna kuimba. So, can you tell us a little bit more about the song? Just the meaning, the deeper meaning of the song. Because I got to tell you what I just know that song. But what's the meaning to it?
Well, Baba is an appreciation song. You know, zvinozvodesa kunzi like zvinonyadzisa kuzvodesa kunzi sisi apo vakamitiswa. But what about the father who dumped their kid, you know? A father who fears responsibility to an extent of rebuking his own blood. Well, I think that's a shame. So, thumbs up to all the loving and responsible fathers like mine. I simply had to appreciate him in my first project for what he did, which is beyond what words can say. You know, I love you, Dad. I love my dad. And I can't thank him enough for being responsible for that, for us. You know, and I wish I could motivate all other guys that no matter what comes in your way, you have to be responsible for your kids. You have to love your kids, you know. I could see my father struggling sometimes, but he never gave up on us. Thumbs up to him, and thumbs up to all the fathers who are just like him.
Nice. Charie J, I think there's something that happened that you're not telling us. But anyway, just if you win this competition. Okay, so any shout-outs that you want to pass?
Well, shout out to my first shout out will go to my family who are always there for me, you know. I love you guys. Then the second one goes to my best friend, Martha Charie. Yeah, she has been there for me. Then shout out to my guys, Tina Shemaka, Panashe Wayne, Nikayaramba, Trevor Dongo. No, I mean Trevor Karonga. Then TKE Takudzwa. Yes, Misari. And Moses Limba. Well, I can't forget someone who is more of my mentor. He's so supportive when it comes to my music. Yeah, a man from Howard, Mr. Jingura, as well as my producer, Steezy Wema Beats. I'm proud of this guy. Well, shout out to my fans and my well-wishers, as well as my secret admirers. Shout out to you all, guys. I love you.
That's so sweet. But I think well,
I can't forget the guys who made this platform for us.
Yeah.
Shout out to 210, guys. Thank you so much.
Obvious. Shout out to 210 for making this platform possible. Is OutShine October reaching throughout my central, maybe even throughout Zimbabwe. And this was the episode of the day. OutShine October, 14 September, with our girl of the day, Charie Jackson. Yo, just be with us, yo, and respect, vote, and love all females out there. Good day.
He became a superman, he fought for me, dance. Ain't nobody can dance. Ain't nobody can dance. Yeah, ain't nobody can dance. Ain't nobody can dance.